Alright guys, so I'm over here trying to fix my blinkers. It took a while to figure it out, but I got it. So I was hitting the flashers over here, or I was hitting these, nothing at all. I could even put the keys in. Hold up. And as you can hear, there's nothing. I gotta take out this whole dash part right here. Disconnect all the wiring, which, give me a second on that. Simple enough, just take a little screwdriver. Disconnect all the little connectors. This one I already broke. There we go. Alright, so I got this piece out. Now I have to remove these 3 bolts and get our new little warning module. And simple enough. Pretty easy job. Nice and new little flasher. I use a 7mm ratchet. Alright. Now you pull this whole piece out, and also make sure the car is off, because when you disconnect this, it'll set off some lights and you won't be able to get them back off. It'll be a pain in the ass. So just make sure the car's off. Okay, and then this, very simple, just slide it in and click it in. Easy enough job. And put everything back. Yeah. Hey y'all ruined my video. Okay. Can't even hear it click anymore. Smooth. Alright. Now, just put everything back. And we will see if the flashers are working now. Alright, got it plugged in. Click it all back into place. And now, let's double check that this is working now. Come on. Alright, now let's see. Let's go. Got it all fixed. Alright, y'all. Appreciate the first video. I'll be making another one.